So now we're going to unbox this 27-inch Philips monitor. So this 27-inch monitor also comes with the stand here, the connector with the stand and the monitor, HDMI cable and power cable. And also included in the box is this start guide manual. So now we're going to connect the stand to the monitor. So here's the 27-inch monitor. Here's the front and then here's the back. So at the back here you see there's a connection to the power, and then here there's the connection to the HDMI, VGA and also audio output. So here there's the button to the power, menu, lighting, contrast and so forth. So you see here it is a 27-inch monitor. So the monitor, if you want to adjust it, you can tilt it so that you look more upward. And then goes the angle. Then you can tilt it down. So now let's look at some of the benefits and features of the Philips 271V8 monitor. So it has the IPS LED wide view technology for image and color accuracy. IPS displays use an advanced technology which gives an extra wide viewing angle of 178 by 178 degree, making it possible to view the display from almost any angle. Then the Philips monitor has a 16 by 9 Full HD display for crisp detailed images. Therefore, incredible contrast and realistic colors expect a true to life picture. Then the monitor has smart contrast for rich black details. So smart contrast is a Philips technology that analyzes the contents that you are displaying, automatically adjusting colors and controlling backlight intensity to dynamically enhance contrast for the best digital images and videos, or when playing games where dark hues are displayed. Then the monitor also has Smart Images presets for easy optimized image setting. So Smart Image is an exclusive leading-edge Philips technology that analyzes the content displayed on your screen and gives you optimized display performance. Then the Philips monitor also effortlessly smooth action with adaptive sync technology. So you get fluid artifact-free performance at virtually any frame rate with adaptive sync technology, smooth quick refresh and ultra fast response time. Then the monitor has less eye fatigue with flicker-free technology. So Philips flicker-free technology applies a new solution to regulate brightness and reduce flicker for more comfortable viewing. Then the final benefit of this Philips monitor is that it has low blue mode for easy on the eyes productivity. Developed for well-being, Philips low blue mode setting uses a smart software technology to reduce harmful shortwave blue light. Then now let's look at some of the technical specifications. So the panel size is 27 inches or 68.6 centimeters. Then the effective viewing area is 597.7 by 336.3. Then the aspect ratio is 16 by 9. The maximum resolution is 1920 by 1080 at 75 Hz. Then as mentioned earlier, the tilt can go from -5 to 20 degrees. So I've connected the power and the HDMI to my Mac Mini here. So to on the monitor, you just press the button here. And tada, it is on. And as you can see, it is a very bright and sharp and full HD monitor. So that's all for today's unboxing and review. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more.